Howdy, and welcome back. Since the last video, I've actually had a few more seizures. This video is only to give you guys the answer from the last video of what is actually wrong with me. Hashimoto's, I believe it is an immune disease where my body is attacking my thyroid. That's great, isn't it? That I have a rare disease. I mean, then again, I like rare cars. So it's actually not very surprising. So they've got me on pills. The first hospital just, here's some pills, go away. We don't want to deal with you. This hospital, Intermountain Healthcare, whatever. They kept me in for over a week. Some of the memories I have of that place, I was out of it. So, just so people know, I'm going to tag this video appropriately, just so if you ever have any of these symptoms, maybe you don't have to go through what I did. Food tasting burnt. Feeling the need to just lay down. Like I laid down in our basement a number of times to just try and go to sleep. And then Space Cadet. Like I felt very Space Cadet. Like for those 3 days and maybe a day or two before the first seizure. But those are some of the things to keep an eye out for. There are more. You should look them up if you ever have weird symptoms. But my problem is I never went to the doctor, not even for a checkup. So that's on me. If I had went every year, this might have been found a long time ago. I wouldn't have had to go through this. And I could have kept living my life. I could have maybe had this car at least idling by now. But here I am. It could be a few days, could be a few months. I've looked it up. The medications can take up to a few months to really equal out in your body. So I'm hoping a few days. I am not a fan of sitting around. Even though I didn't do videos every day, I was always busy. I have work. I have plenty of other things to do. I am not a fan of sitting on my butt. But this disease had me cut myself with the grinder. I don't want to do that. Oh, lockjaw. I started having issues back in June where my jaw was just kind of, I'd be talking and then it would go. So keep those things in mind. But what I wanted to also post is my 2 next videos will be the tunnel, because you can't really install anything without a proper tunnel. But also the new transmission bit, so I can actually shift the transmission. Now, I know the company that made this probably has a video. I will be watching it and mimicking it, but I will probably be making my own changes just as I go, where I feel it makes more sense. So yeah, this will hopefully be coming up maybe early January, depends on how my body reacts to the pills. But I want to say thank you for everyone who commented on the previous video and the fact that I'm at, last I checked, 305 subscribers. I didn't even think I'd ever even hit that, and that is nothing for most people. But I am proud of that. Thank you guys for subscribing. I'm a small YouTuber. Will I ever make big money? Probably not. But it is cool to see that growth. So again, thank you all. Have a good day. Hope your Christmas was great. Hope your New Year's is even better. Have a good day. Bye-bye.